Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with the halachot. We spoke yesterday about that also the Hallel lechatechila also had to be done before the chatzot, because it's not only just the afikomen which is before chatzot because zecha lekorban pesach, but also the Hallel which was said with the afikomen had to be done also before chatzot. So lechatechila, a person should be careful to finish the Hallel before chatzot as well. But with the avad, if he didn't, he could still say the Hallel normally, and he finishes off with the Yalelucha, with the Bracha as well. There's a very interesting concept which is brought down, the Kos Chamishi. What does that mean, the Kos Chamishi? We have the fifth cup. Now, what does this mean exactly? Some people, they come and they call it, whether it's going to be the Kos of Eliyahu Hanavi, and it's a cup that we actually fill up, and there's a whole question, why exactly do we have this fifth cup? What is the reason for it? The Rishonim bring down the Midrash that the reasoning was we know that the four kosot were keneged the arba leshonot of Geula, Aveotzati v'tzalti v'galti v'lakachti. So therefore the fifth one was keneged the Geula veveti, which is going to be in the future. And therefore, and some people say not only veveti to it itself, but some people say it's in the future, which means when Mashiach will come, we have this cup of veveti. Other people wanted to bring down that the four cups were because of the four malchuyot, and therefore the fifth one, right, is they add on, because we know that some people, they actually don't count four different kingdoms that they came and they reigned upon us, but some people actually learn that there's going to be a fifth one, whether it's going to be even Galut Ishmael or others as well, that they say that it's not only just four of the different kingdoms, whether it's going to be Bavel, or the Madai, Pares, all these things, but it's actually going to be against us also the fifth one. That Tzuror Amor brings down, according to the reasoning of the Yerushalmi, that the Arba Kosot, the Arba Kosot of the Chalom, of Sarah Mashkim of Paro. So then what is the Kos HaChamishi? If you remember, when we were bringing down different reasons why do you have four cups, one of the reasons why was because in Paro, when he had the dream and was talking about over there, right, that he was squeezing, right, the Sarah Mashkim to Paro, there it was going to be four cups, so we do four cups in parallel correlation to the four cups that Paro had over there in the dream that Yosef was interpreting. And then you had the Kos HaCharon of the parasha was, Vayiten et Kos HaKaf Paro, was at the end. So therefore, since there was a fifth one, so therefore we're also going to do five cups. And the reason of the Yerushalmi is, Keneged the Arba Kosot of Yeshua, so therefore the Maaser Rokeach brings down of Shir Gaon, he says, a Kos HaChamishi Keneged Yeshua. And therefore you have it. Now there's many different minagim, what you do with this fifth cup, and when do you fill it up? Some people will only fill it up towards the end. Some people will fill it up from the beginning, and then they'll use this cup to fill up the fourth cup. There's many different reasons. Others will come and they will not actually use the cup. They will fill it up, and then they'll cover it, and that will be the cup that you'll use for kiddush for the next morning. So there's many different minagim exactly what to do with this fifth cup. So that's going to be very, very important. Now, after we've already had, whether it's going to be the fifth cup and the Hallel, now we have Nirtzah. What exactly is Nirtzah? Once it already became the Chatzi Alayla, once it's already after we've already finished the entire Seder, now we're going to sing many songs of praises of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Whether it's going to be Kilo Na'eh, Kilo Ya'eh, Echa Miyodea, Chag Gadya. If you look in the bulletin, you'll find the entire concept, the hidden secrets of Chag Gadya, of the Gaon. And there's many others as well, just to understand what exactly is going on. And then there's the importance of Shir Hashirim. So if you remember, we already brought down the concept of Shir Hashirim. So we said that since the night of Pesach, it's Kilu, we're getting married to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And that's why we said that there were 7 berachot said before you're going to come and eat the matzah. And we said the matzah is round, just like the tabat of the Kiddushin, just like the ring of the Kiddushin. And you have 7 days of Pesach, just like you have Sheva berachot, 7 days of Sheva berachot afterwards. Afterwards we came and we say Shir Hashirim. So it's important to realize that this concept of Shir Hashirim was said throughout a lot of different, Rav Chida brings down, you have to say it b'simcha, and you have to say it, right, with all, there's a lot of different minagim brought down. Some people would actually translate it, whether it's going to be in Ladino and other languages as well. So it's very important to remember Shir Hashirim towards the end of the Seder. And then again, there's a lot of people that they have the minhag that they would try as much as possible to continue going through the Haggadah or continue through Midrashim and learning about Yetziat Mitzrayim until they actually start falling asleep, and then again, they're going to be Yotzei Chovah of being L'Saper Sipur Yetziat Mitzrayim. Remember, it's a mitzvah to say Doraita on that night.